Jai Hind, I'm Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to do the complete question answer of the unit microorganism, friend or foe. This is for class 8 and the book name is Science Sparks and book by Edubul. So here what we'll do, we'll complete exercise questions and all exercise questions. So first is MCQ type questions are here. So first question is, which of the following organism helps in production of antibiotics? Among the options, the bacteria is a correct answer. So A is the correct answer of this question. Now the next question is, which of the following microorganism causes cholera? The options are Lactobacillus, Rhizomelium, Vibrio or cholera, and Plasmodium. The correct answer is Vibrio cholera. The next question is third number question. Which organism is used in baking and brewing industries? Among the options are yeast, penicillin, amoeba, algae. The option correct answer is that is yeast is a correct option. So the next question is nitrogen fixation is carried out by that is the ribosome. So C is the correct option among the given option. The next question is, which of the following is not a method of food preservation? The options are pasteurization, adding antibiotics, adding sugars, and refrigeration. The correct answer is adding antibiotic. So the C is the correct option of the questions. Now the next is fill in the blanks. So what we here, the statements are here and we have to put the proper word in the fill in the blanks, and already I have put the word highlighted with red colors. The first statement is microorganisms that be beneficial to humans are called useful organism. Now the next is pasteurization is a process used to kill the harmful microbes in the milk by heating and rapidly cooling it. Now the next question is ribosome bacteria converts atmospheric nitrogen into the usable form for plants. Now the next is ringworm is a disease caused by fungi that affects the skin. Now the next question is the true false questions are here. So the first question is lactobacillus is harmful microorganism. No, this is false. Now the next statement is nitrogen fixation helps improve soil fertility. Yes, this is true. The next question is the adding salt or sugar to the food encourages microbial growth. No, this is false. The next is virus that can reproduce only inside a living host that host cell. Yes, this is true. But the next type of question is define the following terms. Here terms are given here and we have to give the proper definition for the term. First is microorganism, tiny living things that we can see only through a microscope, that is called microorganism. Next is food preservation, the method of keeping the food safe from the spoiling for a longer time, that is food preservation. The next is nitrogen fixation, the process of converting nitrogen gas from the air into a form plant can use, that is nitrogen fixation. Next is pathogen, the microorganism that causes disease, that is a pathogen. Next is fermentation, the process in which the microorganism like yeast break down and sugar to produce the alcohol or acid, that is fermentation. Now next type of question is match the columns. Here column A and column B is here. In the column A the name given here and column B, that is the correct answer are already matched. So the question is first is malaria, the is mosquito, so E is a correct option, so you should match with E. Now the next question is penicillin, that is the antibiotic. Penicillin is generally an antibiotic. So next is curd making, that is the milk preservation. So D A is a correct option. So there is pathogen, that is the disease causing microbes. So the B is a correct match. Now the next is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle ribosomes. So the D is a correct option. Now the next type of question is give the reason. Means statements are here, so you have to give the proper reason. The first is friendly microorganisms are used in agriculture. The reason is it is because they help in fixing nitrogen and improving soil fertility. Now the next is adding sugar to food preserve it. The reason is sugar absorb water which stops microbes from growing. The next statements are the viruses are not classified as living organism. Reason is it is because they can only grow and multiply inside a living cells. The next is ribosome bacteria are important for farming. The reason is they fix nitrogen in the soil and which helps plants to grow better. Now the next is proper food storage prevents microbial growth. The reason is it is because microbes cannot grow without moisture, air or the right temperature. So the next is answer in brief. So answer questions are here and we have to give the brief answer for the question. The first question is how do microorganisms help in making medicines? The answer is some microorganisms make substances like antibiotics that kills harmful microbes and helps us recover from diseases. Now the next is what roles do bacteria play in nitrogen fixation? The answer is bacteria like ribosomes fix nitrogen from the air into the soil which helps good plant to grow. The next question is explain how salt and sugar act as the food preservatives. The answer is sugar and salt absorbs moisture and stop the growth of microbes, keeping food fresh for longer. So the next question is what measures can be taken to prevent diseases caused by harmful microorganisms? The answer is we can prevent disease by keeping ourselves clean, eating proper cooked food, storing food safely, and getting vaccinated. These are the proper steps that should take. The next question is why pasteurization important for preserving milks? The answer is pasteurization kills harmful microbes in milk by heating it and then cooling it quickly. This makes milk safe to drink. The next question is answer in detail. So questions are here and we have to give the detailed answer. The first question is explain the different group of microorganisms with examples. There are four main types of microorganisms. The first is bacteria. The examples are lactobacillus helps make curd. Next is fungi, that is the yeast used in bread making. Now next is protozoa, that is the plasmodium causes malaria. Next is algae, that is cholera used in food supplements. The next question is discuss the benefits of friendly microorganism in our lives. The friendly microbes are in help in the first is making food like curd, bread and cheese. The second is making medicine like antibiotics. The third is cleaning environment by decomposing waste. Now the next is fixing nitrogen in soil for better crop growth. The next question is describe the harmful effect of microorganism on food, health and agriculture. The answer is the harmful microbes can spoil food and make it unsafe to eat. Now the next is it causes diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, cholera, etc. Now the next is damage crops and reduce agricultural output. Now the next question is explain the nitrogen cycle and its importance in maintaining soil fertility. The answer is nitrogen cycle is a process where nitrogen moves between air, soil and living things. Then on the importance is there is a proper diagram, so you can draw the diagram from your book of Science Spark book. Now the next is bacteria fix nitrogen from air to soil. The next is plants absorb it to grow. Next is animals eat plants. Then fourth is dead plants and animals decompose and return nitrogen into the soil and it helps keep soil rich in nutrients for plants. Now the next question is write the detail about the various methods of food preservation and how they prevent microbial growth. The common food preservation methods are drying, that is the removes the water needed by microbes. Next is freezing, stop microbes activity. Now next is salting and sugaring, absorb moistures to stop microbes. Now is pickling, that is uses the acid that kills microbes. Next is pasteurization, it kills the harmful microbes with heat. Now the next is these methods stops or slow down the bacterial growth and keep food safe for longer time. So if you have any confusion you can ask in the comment box. I would try to give the answer as soon as possible. With this, thank you, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.